Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x over 2 raised to the power of 3 equals to 2 over x, and we are supposed to find the value of x. Let's provide solution right here and very quickly. And the first thing here is to copy what we have. We have x over 2 raised to the power of 3 equals to 2 over x. What can we do? First of all, here we have x power 3 over 2 power 3 equals to 2 over x. And of course, this is what we have. Due to cross multiplication, we shall get x power 3 times x equal to what? 2 times 2 power 3. Right, so we have x power 4 equals to 2 power 4, and we can group like terms to get x power 4 minus 2 power 4 equals to 0. And of course here we have x minus we have here x power 4 minus 2 power 4, which can be translated as x squared, then squared again, minus 2 squared and squared again. And it seems that it has been transformed into difference of 2 squares. So we have to deal with this question: x squared, and here minus 2 squared times x squared plus 2 squared equals to 0. And of course we shall write this one x squared minus 4, and of course this is equals to here x squared plus 4 equals to 0, and we shall say x squared equals to 4, and of course x equals to positive or negative square root of here 4, and x1 equals to positive 2, x2 equals to negative 2. For this one, we have x squared equals to negative 4, and of course we shall write x squared equals to x only, positive or negative square root of 4 negative, so that x3 equals to positive 2i, and x4 equals to negative 2i. And of course this is what we have. Now we have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given here x over 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 2 over x. So I have two parts. We're going to check for real numbers, positive 2 and negative 2. And of course here, let us start from 2 over 2 raised to the power of 3 equals to 2 over 2. And of course this is 1 over 3 equals to 1, then 1 equals to 1. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Now let's come back to another. We have negative 2 over 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 2 over negative 2. And of course this will be negative 1 to the power of 3 equals to and negative 1. And of course this is negative 1, which equals to negative 1, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.